everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. If you're new, I'm Laura. Xena is the brown puppy dog. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We hope you stick around, hang out, and hit that subscribe. For today, I'm kicking off an outfit of the day, what I wore video, where we chronicle a week of outfits, talk a little bit about life, as well as you get some PA weather in there. And it is a beautiful Sunday morning. Sundays are typically incredibly busy for me, just trying to get all the stuff done to get ready for the week. But it is sunny. It is 45. It is supposed to get up to 66 today. And I chose for today a casual outfit. I have on, I believe these are Judy blue denim from, or studio blue. Maybe it's studio blue. Denim from Stitch Fix, and a sweater tank. This was a bit of a shimmer. You may remember from a loft haul. Paired it with this cute little shirt jacket from Thread and Supply from Wantable. And these shoes that I'm really loving as of late, you're probably going to see a lot, which are by Dolce Vita. The first pair of Dolce Vita I got in a Stitch Fix, and I love them, and they were on sale. They're so comfortable. And I think that's it. I just have hoops on today since I'll be busy, and that's my outfit. All right, so we're going to get to work. I hope you are doing fabulous to start off your week, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, rainy, chilly, and back to work. And let's see, the good news is my front door fashion posted today, so I hope that you check that one out. It was a fun one. She sent me, it felt like 2 fall and a summer in there. But I do say I like color, so she definitely fit the bill and sent me some color. And let's see, I am traveling tomorrow and Wednesday. So today's a super busy day. I have a lot to prepare for that. And I chose easy today. So I have on my loft sweater you'll recognize, and loft denim, and I threw on my shoes, which I am loving and probably will wear a lot of, so you'll recognize these from Stitch Fix, Dolce Vita. And for jewelry, I just put on hoops and a ring from Leah Sophia. Yeah, it's vintage. And that's it for today. All right, hope you're doing fabulous, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. It is early in the morning, 6:30, and I've got to hit the road. It's raining. It is 55 degrees, but it is supposed to get into the 60s, and I do believe it's supposed to stop. So hopefully it does. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I chose cut from the cloth vegan leather pants. This L&A top, you may remember these two from my Evereve try-on. Paired it with a blazer from Gibson that I've had for quite some time from Nordstrom. And yes, you guessed it, my booties, these slide-on booties from Dolce Vita that I got in a Stitch Fix that are just uber comfortable. For jewelry, I don't have much on today. I actually just have on hoop earrings and a bracelet that was my mom's, and I'm ready to go. All right, I hope you are having a fabulous week, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, right? I had to think about it. It is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day, and it was nice yesterday. Like, it ended up in the 60s and sunny. Today it's 54 right now, clear. It's going to be 68 degrees. It's early in the morning. It's like 6:30 in the morning, so still dark. But I've got a long day, so I got to get started. And let's see, I have a video posting today. Which one is it? I think it's my Oceanista. Yeah, so I hope you check that one out. It is the fall box. And plus, my friend JJ has an amazing boutique. So check that out. If you don't want to do the subscription, you can always just shop her amazing stuff. So yeah, check out that. All right, outfit of the day today, I have on my Mott Bow denim. As you know, I love to travel in those. So if you haven't checked out Mott Bow, I love their denim. and you can buy it based on waist and length. So Mott Bow denim, and then I have on a Cabi tank, and then I actually threw a bralette on underneath here. But this is a Cami from Cabi. My blazer is from Cabi, you may recognize. And then I have Brighton jewelry on today. My shoes, you've seen these before. I love these. These are by Sarto. And that's my outfit for today. All right, hope you're all doing fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, and I'm back home, and I decided to come outside for outfit of the day. It's actually a really pretty day out. 55 degrees. It is supposed to get up to 70. It's a little windy out, but not too bad. Sun is shining. Wyatt's outside with me, but he is laying on the deck. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on, let's see, 151 cropped pants from a Stitch Fix. I really like these. I'm enjoying them. I have on the sweater tank that I got in my JB Stylebox. I'm enjoying it as well. Threw on my blank NYC jacket from Amazon. Have on my leopard shoes that I've worn quite frequently from Dolce Vita. And yeah, I think that's it. For jewelry, I actually want earrings that I got back whenever FabFitFun Stylebox was in place, which they don't do that anymore. They just do their regular lifestyle box. But I like these. And that's it for today. That's my outfit. So I hope you're doing fabulous. Let's see. I hope you checked out my Oceanista box yesterday. Love Oceanista. And we'll be back tomorrow for Happy Dance. Hey everybody. It's Friday. Wyatt is ready for Happy Dance. Did you see his ears go up at his name? Oh, Wyatt, you know your name. And you're ready for Friday dance, huh? Yes, you are. Because you're a happy dog. He was just exploring out here. It is a very sunny morning. So I'm out here early today. It's 9 o'clock, and I decided to come outside because it's beautiful. It is going to be a beautiful weekend. Today I think it's going up to 72, 73. It's only 45, it says, but it feels really nice out here. And my Decorated box posted today. I hope you check it out. I feel like that box doesn't get enough love. But the decor is so nice. So they always send like one seasonal item. I should say it's all kind of seasonal, but one like really seasonal item, like specific to winter. But the other items you can pretty much carry through every season. So I always love that. And I thought they did a really great job with the winter box. So check it out. And I have pictures in there on how I decorated with it. So I had a lot of fun. Let's see, for outfit of the day today, I chose Paige denim. As I said, it's a little warmer today, so I chose the wide leg that are a little bit, I think they're like probably an ankle length on me. I got these I am debating right now. Did I get them in a Trendsend or did I buy them from Nordstrom? I think I got them in a Trendsend. I have on a shimmer Z Supply tank. Definitely got in a Trendsend. I have on my Evereve bralette. You know how much I love these. Love. I have some new items coming. I can't wait to share with you. They have so many awesome things right now, so you should definitely check it out. But I have that on underneath here, which I think adds a little bit extra. Threw on my Liverpool moto jacket that I just got in a Wantable. And let's see, for shoes, I have on my Quirkies. You have seen before. I love these. These are from Nordstrom. Came in a trunk club. And for jewelry, I have on, let's see, earrings from Rocksbox. A necklace, I believe, is from Stella Dot. And I think that's it. All right. I hope you are ready for the weekend. I know I am. And I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, It is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It's a beautiful day already and it's only 8:30 in the morning. 65 degrees. It's going to get up to 79, almost 80 degrees today. My Old Navy Neutrals capsule posted today. I hope you check it out. I have some of the items hanging behind me here. I had so much fun creating that video. I think I have 9 pieces, all can mix and match with anything in your closet already. And yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. The prices are awesome and Old Navy always has sales. And if you have a credit card, it's even better. So definitely stop by and check out that video. In fact, I'll link it up above here. All right, let's see, for today's outfit, I chose a Trendsend outfit actually, Hudson denim. This really cool top that I got few Trendsends ago actually. This is super fun with all the fun strapping and everything going on here. Great fall color. And then this is a jacket from last year from Marrakech. Very silky and lighter weight, so I think I'll probably need it maybe earlier this morning and then in the evening, but probably not during the day. And then shoes, Vince Camuto. Got these in Trunk Club once upon a time. Love these. I'm letting the toes out since it's going to be so warm today. What else? For jewelry, I do not have much on today, but I did put in my favorite Ana Luisa earrings. These are the Lyra. Check those out if you haven't had a chance to check out Ana Luisa. And then I have a bracelet on my husband got me, and really that's it for jewelry today. All right, so I will list all of my outfits for this week down below. As always, if I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come in boxes, so I'll put all the links for the boxes also. Please share your favorite. I always like to hear which outfit was your favorite. I know I was kind of all over the place this week since I had some in-person work outfits plus virtual outfits and casual outfits. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like before you go. Hit that subscribe as well, as it allows me to keep creating videos for you. And I so appreciate the support. I love each and every one of you, so thank you, thank you, thank you. If you already have hit that subscribe, again, thank you. All right, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.